What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and if you notice my voice sounds weird, I'm wearing a mic now, so it's a lot better. I'm doing this video right now, another showcase, because I just got a brand new fidget spinner. As you can see right here, I got the Batman one. I just came back from Ned's Fun World, and that's where I won it. It cost 700 tickets. Oh my god, that's crazy. I can't even, it took me probably like $50 to do it. It's crazy. Just to get a fidget spinner that would cost like $10. Yeah, but the games were fun anyway, so this is another video that I'm doing. That actually kind of looks real now. Kind of looks a little bit more real than all my other videos, but I have all these fidget spinners now, and I have no idea what to do with them. Except for giving one away. Well, two away, because I'm... Never mind. I'm sorry, Jeremy. I didn't get a tri-stand, but I got something different. You already saw this one in my previous videos, but I'll still show you it again if you're new to my channel. Plastic LED fidget spinner. Plastic LED. Works really well. I've actually changed these red bearings, and you can probably tell that by my old video. Yeah, I changed them from this glow-in-the-dark LED one, like this. It wasn't previously an LED, it was just a glow-in-the-dark with these red bearings in here instead of the light. But yeah, glow-in-the-dark LED. Very good. Okay, we're moving on to my new fidget spinner, the Batman. Pretty cool. And it looks really cool too. It looks like a real bat, kind of. Because you see that's kind of the hat, the wings, the tail from when it flies. I'm supposed to do this guy. This is actually my brother's. I'm just using it. Silver chrome fidget spinner works really well with one hand. Told you that in my previous video. You can go check that out. If you subscribe to my channel, press the bell, and if you tap on my channel, then you can actually go and find that video and all my videos, and you can watch it and check it out. Like it if you want to be able to be in the draw where I give all my fidget spinners away. That's only if I get to 10,000 subscribers, which will never happen anyway, but oh my god, the gold one. Oh ho ho. I love it. It spins the longest, I would probably say, out of all of my fidget spinners, which is very, very awesome. And yeah, that was my video. Peace. And make sure to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, actually, not just hit the subscribe. And smash the like button. And check out my new videos. And yeah, subscribe.